So that brings us to current day. What do you guys do? Why are you different? How are you backed financially so well? And
what we do is really simple. We do US style mortgage lending here in Costa Rica. And that means exactly what you think it means. It means 30 years, 100% fixed rates for the full life of your loan, no prepayment penalties, and no bullshit. It's pardon my French for you too.
Right.
But it's really a simple thing. You know, if you go get a standard mortgage loan back in the States, that's what our loan looks like.
Okay.
And there's a really great question that you asked, which is how are we actually able to do that? You know, what is the aha? Because, and the reason you're asking that question is because no one's been able to do this before. You know, post 2008, when banks left the market entirely, there hasn't been a company that's been able to come here and sustainably offer this kind of a product. You know, before we started filming, you mentioned that you'd seen companies before come to Costa Rica, say, hey Travis, you know, we have financing for your clients. They do a handful of loans, but what happens? They run out of capital.
Exactly.
And typically, you know, when they run out of capital, a lot of them won't tell you. And then you end up with clients who think that they're getting a loan from a company, comes time to go to closing, and there's no cash.
Oops.
Exactly. And that's something that we've seen happen in Costa Rica time and time again.
Correct. Okay.
And so before starting Second Street, I was an investor on Wall Street.